guys, it's Leah, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. I was looking on Wowcher the other day and I came across a beauty box. It's a luxury beauty box. It's a mystery beauty box and it is cohorted. So they had this on Wowcher for £21 instead of £59.99. I love mystery boxes, so I thought, why not? Let's give this a go. For £21, you know, it can't be that bad, right? So I did have a look inside the box because when I was unboxing it, ready to do my video, there was no paperwork, so I wasn't sure about how much things were, and I wanted to let you guys know the value of this whole box. So basically I wanted to know how much the box would be in total for £21. So I do know what's in the box. I have googled every item separately and I wrote down how much the items were singly, so you get an idea of whether you think £21 is worth this cohorted box. I have to say the presentation of it is beautiful. I would definitely be keeping this box. I really do like it. So let's have a quick look inside. You get a beautiful ribbon that's tied up in a little bow. This is magnetized, which I love. And then inside you can see the goodies. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. So I was a bit put off by this. It is, well, looks like a puffer. I couldn't find a price for this. Now the thing that put me off is you get the puffer, but you don't get any product to actually puff. So for me, I probably won't even use this. This is not something that I would reach for. But nonetheless, it's cute. It's very cute. Okay, next product we have is some nail varnish, which is gorgeous. And I have it on my nails now. This is by Nails Inc. The colour shade is Chelsea Square. This is £15 a bottle. This is a full-size product. Okay, not bad, 15 quid. It's very pretty. Next we have some mascara. This is by Lancome. This is called Monsieur Big Mascara. It's a 2ml size. This is worth £13 and it does have a really large brush. Lovely. Okay, so next we have a little sample. This is a perfume. This is by Agent Provocateur, sorry, and the name of the fragrance is called Aphrodisiac. So let's have a little spray. Oh, I can get it out. That's what the bottle looks like. It looks very sophisticated and expensive. Let's have a little spray. It does smell actually quite nice. I really do actually like that. Okay, I didn't Google this because obviously it's a sample. But I did Google this one. It's by the same brand, Agent Provocateur, but this is the shade, the fragrance called, I don't know if it's pronounced Fatal or Fatale. This is a 30ml bottle and you can pick this up on the internet for £30. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this on my Facebook fan page and probably sell it on. Okay. And then next we have some lip and eye cream. This is by the Organic Pharmacy. So again, I looked online. This would cost £29. This is a full-size product. This is 0.35 fluid ounces or 10ml. And as I say, it's a full-size product, and this is probably something else that I will put on my fan page on my Facebook because I have so many creams and potions and stuff that I just don't get through. So that is that there. Quite cute packaging, pretty. Okay, so that's that one. And then last of all, we have, this is called Context. This is £15. It has 20ml and it is an oil-free daily moisturiser. Again, I'm not going to open this. I'm actually going to put this on my Facebook, and it does have a safety tab that I won't take off. Okay, so I'll put that on my fan page, and that had a value of £15. And also you did get some free tea bag samples, which are these. And there was also inside a voucher, Naked Wines for £75. Okay, so I counted the whole box up. So we have the nails ink, this one, £15. We have this perfume, that's Agent Provocateur, Fatal, £30. We then had the lip and eye cream by the, what's it called? The Organic Pharmacy, £29. We then had the moisturiser for £15. We had the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara 2ml for £13. We had a free sample of perfume. And we had this puffer that I have no idea what the value is for that. So this whole box value, give or take, is £102. So £102, the value of this I think is pretty good for £21. Definitely. I'm a little bit disappointed there wasn't a little bit more makeup inside, but that's okay. So I think that's pretty good value, £102 for a £21 box. So what, £80. So I'm going to try the regular Cohorted, so probably be January's box now when I order it. Be interested to see what that one is. So I'm going to order it, and I will obviously go through it with you when I receive it. Right, okay, so that's all for today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Give me your points of view. Tell me what's good, what's not. Is it worth? Would you have paid 60 quid for this with the contents that were inside? No, I wouldn't. Happy to pay 21, but no, not £60. Do you think it was good value? 102 for £21, which obviously I do. Anyway, subscribe, like, leave your comments, all that really, really good stuff. Please take care of yourselves and each other until we speak again. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye. Take care. Bye.